Take a ride in the 2021 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.